Welcome back, students. Now, in the previous lecture, we discussed that Hitler chose war to come out of economic crisis, and for war, a country need resources, and these resources were to be accumulated through expansion of territory. Now, Hitler he wanted to expand the territories of Germany. In September 1939, Germany invaded Poland, and this started a war with France and England. Germany invaded Poland, he attacked on Poland, and it created war with France and England. Then in September 1940, one tripartite pact was signed between Germany, Italy, and Japan. This is important. Tripartite pact was signed between Germany, Italy, and Japan. So these three countries were involved in this. That is why it is called Tripartite Pact. It's strengthening Hitler's claim to international power. So puppet government, regime means government. Puppet government supportive of Nazi Germany were installed in a large part of Europe, and by the end of 1940, Hitler was the pinnacle of his power. So gradually in 1939 and 1940, Hitler was merging all these areas in his territory because he wanted to expand the territory to accumulate resources. And he got support from international powers also, like Italy and Japan. And puppet regime, they support these countries. They were like puppet regime, puppet government, and they were supportive of Nazi Germany, and were installed in large part of Europe. So Nazi were in the very large part of Europe, and by the end of 1940, Hitler was at the pinnacle of his power. Pinnacle means at the most successful point of his power. So Hitler has moved to achieve his long-term aim of conquering Eastern Europe. Now he wanted to achieve his very long-term aim, that is to conquer Eastern Europe. So he wanted to ensure food supplies and living space for German. So he wanted to expand his territories so that all the German they could have food supplies and a living space. So what he did, he attacked Soviet Union in June 1941, and in this historic blunder, Hitler exposed the German Western Front to British aerial bombing and Eastern Front to powerful Soviet armies. So from both the side, Hitler attacked. So German Western Front to British aerial bombing area and Eastern Front to Soviet armies. So both the side he attacked on Soviet Union from both the sides. The Soviet Red Army inflicted a crushing and humiliating defeat on Germany at Stalingrad. The Soviet Red Army inflicted means caused to experience something painful or unpleasant. So Soviet Red Army, it crushed the army of Hitler at Stalingrad, and after this the Soviet Red Army hunted out the retreating German soldier until they reached the heart of Berlin. So hunted means to harass or hunting, like a hunting dog. So the Red Army, they throw out the German soldiers until they reach the heart of Berlin, and establishing Soviet hegemony over the entire Eastern Europe for half a century thereafter. Hegemony means it's a noun and dominance of one group or state over another.